I'm trying to go somewhere over there, see if I can get some shot. You know, I have my camera right here. Let's go. All right guys, so right now I'm gonna see if I can take a shot right here off the river, just up there. See if I can get a beautiful landscape right here. Turn on the shutter speed, let in a little bit more light. Right, perfect right there. All right guys, so finally reaching to the bush right now. So as you can see, we got some apple trees right here. Nice little apple tree. You guys can see that. Hopefully gonna take a shot right here, one of these apples. Let's see if I can get that. Zoom in a bit. Let's see right here. Perfect, looking nice. I see some more shot right here. So I'm gonna take a picture of this beautiful landscape right here. So right now, try to take it in a wide angle view. Let me get in some more light. All right, I want to get this coconut tree inside. Let's see. Perfect, look at that picture right there. All right, so I'm moving on now. Okay guys, so right there's a hut. See if I can get a picture of that. Perfect. Alright guys, so I reach up to a section right here. Let's see if I can capture some more shot of this beautiful landscape right here. Okay, nice photo, landscape, nice. Wide ISO is an auto. Let me change that. Put ISO to like 600. Open up my aperture. Shutter speed down to like 100 and odd. Let's see now. Perfect. This image is not bad. I'll try and take the image of the road right here. Get that wide shot. Perfect. Okay guys, let's see now. Reach up right here. I've been hiking for several minutes now on that path, and I just come to right here and see. Let's see if I can capture something right here. Okay, nice. I'm not really focusing. Let me get, okay, get that focus right. Perfect. And the hill right now, so just gonna take a photo right here. See, Would that turn out? Not bad. Not bad. So not bad. Get one right here. I'll take one right here at this local landscape right here. Let's see.